Can this be really true?
Another cooking day, another happy day. Food makes us happy. Today we're going to do callaloo with salted codfish and bacon. And on the side will be boiled green bananas and dumplings. I'm going to do the bananas first because they take longer to cook. So you've got to score the bananas. I'm going to cook them in the skin for half the way, half the cooking time. Here I have 6 green bananas, which we use like you would be using potatoes, whether sweet or regular potatoes, or yam. We have this for breakfast or lunch. I need to add some salt. And now I'm going to have it boiling at a rapid boil for about 15 minutes. Here we have the dough for the dumplings, which is made with half a cup of flour, 1 cup of flour, and 1/3 of a cup of water, and half a teaspoon of salt. Cold water it should be, and you knead it into a dough. After that is done, you divide it up in portions. I'll put this on a plate. So you can see, that's one. Now we shape the dumpling. This is an art. Oh dear, it's supposed to be smooth. And I'm not fussy about this, but I remember my mom, everything had to be so rounded and equal and, as she said, pretty. So that is what it will look like. I'll do the other 4, and when and then I'm going to add it to the pot with the bananas after I remove the skin from the bananas. So now after 15 minutes, we can remove the skin from the banana. Just take a fork and it lifts right off. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice, just to keep the water clear and that bananas won't change color. And now I'm going to be adding the dumplings. And this should be ready in 20 minutes.
Can this be really true? Oh, how I wish I had you.